chim, bim. How will somebody have this kind of talent and be hiding it like palliative? I'm blown away. If someone should sing like this for me, I'm gonna fall in love. Yeah, before I even continue, let me show you guys. There was also like the chorus. I don't know if this is a real song, or I think they are the ones that just freestyled and just formed it. But like, yo, they need to record it and release it as they are like this. Emma was the one playing the guitar. Yeah, Peace, White Money, Angel, Queen, and Emma. So they were singing their songs. They've been entertaining us. If you're not watching their songs, you are missing out. You guys, I have plenty gist for you guys. See, this channel is Showmax. I have plenty of exclusive gist, and I'm pretty sure that some of the things that I'm going to be giving, some of the gist I'll be giving you guys in this video, you will not see it anywhere. So make sure you watch the video to the end, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new here and you have not subscribed, then you're missing out. And also turn on your post notifications so that I can get notified each time I post a brand new video. So I'm just going to go accordingly for today's video. I noted down things that I wanted to say. Let's start with their task actually. So they had an interesting task. For the first time in a long while, we had something different. It was a close-up task. And for the first part of the close-up task, the guys were asked to write a pickup line for the ladies. So basically, guys were to pick up like a paper. In that paper, to reveal the person that is their teammates. The guys just picked their paper and they didn't reveal to the ladies who their partner is. So they just told them to write a pickup line. In that pickup line, they're going to include the name of their group and then the name of the person that they picked. So that's where the revelation happened. And these pickup lines were so on point. I'm going to show you guys from the beginning. The first person he had was Boma. So let's listen to Boma's pickup line.
Life would like to get to know you. I'd love to be there for you while you're there for me. Together we could be team protect. Give me a chance, baby. You wouldn't regret it, Tega.
Give me a chance, baby. You wouldn't regret it, Tega. So it's so funny that Boma picked Tega. Like obviously it was not something that they knew about. It was a random selection, but it was so funny that he picked Tega. Then the next person is Saga.
When I look at you, my heart skips 3 beats. One for your intricate vibe, the second for your resilience, and the third because you are triple fresh. I'm losing my mind, and all I want to do is drown in shots of liquor rose.
Saga was on point. Like the rhythm is like, all I want to do is drown in shots of liquor rose. Hey, let's take a look at the next person.
I would love us to close up the space we have between us, because deep down you give me peace.
Oh, deep down you give me peace.
The type that all the guys admire on a tax day. You're the sparkle in my eyes on a sad day. That's why I fell in love with you, Miss Saskay.
Guys, I just came. Michael took us abroad. See guys, I can't put in like all the videos because of copyright ish. So let's listen to the last person, which is Cross.
Baby. As you can see, I'm quite choked up. When you smile, you take me to a trip in Atlantica. And when you blush, my eyes box nest from you. Even the ladies in the France know that your name is Nene.
If Cross has not added choke in anything that he's saying, you know that it has not started. So the next part of the task was a photo shoot. They told them to pick their team, like maybe oldies, beach vibes, whatever vibe they're trying to portray, they should pick their team. And they really did well. Angel and Pere, they did a good job. Nini and Cross, they did a good job. They understood the assignment. For me, I think that Nini and Cross, they are the best from my own perspective, and based on what they told them to do, the assignment. They told them to kind of like tell a story about how Closeup has like helped them, has, you know, helped their life basically. So Nini's story, the way they told it went from when she met Cross and then everything graduated to the part where she now fell in love. They are going to announce the winners maybe tomorrow or next. For now, we don't know the team that won. Then the final part of the task was the presentation, where they came to tell their story. They showed them like a slideshow of their pictures, and then you now explain what is in the picture. Like, you basically tell the story that you were trying to portray. Then in this storytelling part, Tega and Boma did their thing. In their picture, while they were taking their pictures, there was a part where they kissed, like kind of like a peck, like brief peck basically. So when they were telling the story and they showed that part, hey, everybody was shocked.
I asked her to spend it forever with me, and she said yes. She said yes to a life of forever with me.
Then they now legit, like after telling their story, they now pecked again on stage, and everybody was like, what is going on? Hey,
our perfect love story.
What is going on? Me self, I'm saying what is going on. It's okay. That's what they did for their task. Later on, in the night, there was a Boma was giving Tega a massage. He was helping her massage her shoulder. But then inside that massage, Tega was not wearing blouse or anything. She was just wearing her shorts. He was massaging shoulder. It's okay. It's alright. It's like this thing is no more cruise that they are catching. It's like feelings are beginning to develop. Then let's talk about Emmanuel and Liquor Rose. They decided to give us goals this evening. So basically he was trying to like give her a lap dance and stuff. They wanted to use a particular song. He was asking her of a particular song that she should remind him. She was trying to remind him, and they were just doing their whole back and forth, being all cute and stuff.
What's that song? What's the name of it? Daddy's home. No, no. What's Usher's song? Just you don't want to grind and go. I'm serious.
She now remembered the song. He was now giving her the lap dance, and they just kept playing.
Are you ready? Let's go. I am the top, I am the bottom.
Then later on, they now went to the kitchen, continued their play. Then Pere, I don't even know what Pere was trying to do. He was looking at them, and they're like, okay. Pere said he was going to come and carry her. Emma said he was going to give her to Pere. Pere wanted to come and carry her. She's like, can you handle this?
Can you keep up? Baby boy, make me list my bread. Make me list my bread. Can you be nice? Make me list my bread. Can you keep up?
I like the fact that they're very playful. I think that's what I really like about like both of them. They're playful, and then they make it's not every time like gang kiss, or like, you know, they're actually very playful, and they have like reasonable conversations and all. Then earlier on, Pere was having a conversation with Saga concerning his situationship outside the house. I do not know about the situationship. Do you guys know about it? I don't think I've heard him talk about it before. So he was telling Saga, like, he was expressing concern about like what he has outside. He was talking about, like, I think he said he just traveled down, and then he heard that he was to come inside the house. So I think maybe they didn't really get to see before he came into the house. Then he now went on to just express his concern about like the fact that he thinks that maybe this whole thing is going to affect his situationship.
He's the most supportive girl that I've ever met. You could still walk. As Coach said, this place is not a game. You know, if you're serious, if the person out there is serious with you, you should understand.
Now Saga was now saying that she, you know, it's a game and everything, she's going to forgive. He was not like that. As much as it's a game and everything, he actually came in here and caught feelings, because, you know, Saga was just trying to say, oh, it's just a game and then nothing here is real, and he's like, no, I actually did catch feelings. Like, I came in here and I caught feelings for Maria.
I came in and caught feelings. Yeah. It was very clear I caught feelings when I came in. I don't know if that has jeopardized.
What happens? What happened?
Right, you know what I'm saying?
With her, bro? It happens now. What happens? You're locked with somebody here.
He just went on to prove that, okay, as much as it's a game, but like the feelings he had for Maria was real. Is real. Saga is like, okay, so do you now want to leave that person? Do you now want to leave that person for Maria? And he's like, nah, that when he leaves the house, after he leaves the house, he's going to go back to that person.
You want to go back to Maria when you go outside? You have to choose. You have to choose.
If I'm to choose, but I'm still going back to...
Do you understand? So that's what matters.
Bro, Maria has something else right now.
Exactly.
Who is this person? I just didn't know that there was a situationship. I don't know if he told Maria about it, but yeah. And then you guys know that outside, Maria says she cannot have anything to do with Pere. So I guess the feeling is mutual from both angles. Then let's talk about Cross Saskay and Jaypaul. I'm going to call it Cross KJ. This is going to be like a short story, and I'm going to tell it accordingly because of how it progressed from like the beginning to the end. So basically, earlier today, Cross and Saskay, they were having a conversation, and Cross was just trying to put out to her the things that she has been doing.
Yesterday, you told me, I didn't even know you moved back to my room. I was surprised, I was shocked. And all of a sudden, I'm seeing Jaypaul again back in your bed. And I'm like, I thought you moved out of that room because of you're trying to avoid something like that.
Then he now went on to say that, like, you can't be saying one thing and then he's saying another thing. You get like, you can't be telling me this. Like, you're saying, okay, I'm the person that you like, and then these other guys coming to me, da 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 da. You can't be saying this and then what he's saying, like what you're saying, what she's saying and what he's saying is different. That's what you're just telling her.
And then I'm like, why you say something and another thing is happening? I'm totally confused.
And then she was just there, she was not saying so much. Baba now threatened how.
If it turns out that you are not who I think you are, I swear to you, I will never in my life ever talk to you again.
You're literally threatening me right now.
No, I'm not threatening you, I'm just telling you.
And he's like, no, he's not threatening her. That like she should put herself in his shoes and everything. That is unfair. That what she's doing is pretty much unfair. It's not fair to him and everything. She was not saying that let them talk about it later. That can they talk about it later? He was not saying, oh, so you won't talk about it later. So you now go and think. Go and think about what you say. So you will not come and bobo me.
Would you give me time to think about this and answer you?
You want to follow up a very...
Because he was saying that she's very smart. And she's saying that she wants to postpone the conversation. Maybe she wants to go and cook up the words, the right words to say to him and everything. She now said no, that's not it. That she has communication problems. That maybe it's not something that she has told him before, but she also has communication problems.
I want to think because I want whatever I'm telling you to make sense to you. I don't want to just be gibbering about or saying random things that I'm not even going to connect. Because I also have problems with communication. That's not even a lie.
Then they now talk. And she's like, why are you doing this? And it's like, I'm not trying to put you on the spot. That's not what he's trying to do. That he's not trying to like put her on the spot and everything. But she's not giving him anything. She's not giving him substance. Not giving him what to work with.
Why are you doing this?
I'm not trying to put you in headache or in any kind of decision, honestly. You're making me look like as if I'm lagging or I'm trying to make your life complicated. Is that how you're feeling?
So then now Kayode did what he knows how to do best, take us away from there. I don't know how they concluded, but it's almost like they ended up postponing the conversation because later on in the parlor, Saskay was now giving her own reports or her own response to his question. So she was not telling him about the attention that Jaypaul gives her, that, you know, she can't be lying to him, or she can't lie to him that she's not growing feelings for Jaypaul because of the attention that he gives her. But that for Cross, she's not seeing that energy, that she's not seeing, he doesn't come to her, he doesn't give her that much attention, that much, you know, she doesn't see the energy.
That's the energy I receive from him. So I can't even lie or pretend that I'm not growing more feelings for him because he's always around me. And you always complain and say, I'm not giving you attention. But you always tell me how you feel. There's no energy from you. How do I reciprocate what I'm not getting?
Wow.
Cross was even shocked, like, wow, are you serious? Like, I'm always available every single time in the morning, every time I'm awake, I'm available. Like, you can't really see that the attention is not there and everything. Basically, the summary of that conversation is just her letting him know that he's not giving her that attention that she desires. Basically, it's as if after the conversation, Cross now said, okay, this attention, I'm going to give it to her tonight. Later on in the night, he went to meet Saskay and was now inviting her to his bed for them to have a conversation.
That's what you're
saying. And so what comes you just here?
Because you can sleep here.
So I cannot sleep there?
Yes, because I know you won't sleep up to your bed back.
I don't like stress.
He was not trying to convince her. Then later on, he said that he's not ready to sleep now, that let him just go and have his bath. And then she should try to stay awake. She now said, okay, that she would try.
I'm not sleeping. I'm still going to shower, brush, and just chill, and I'll come to bed. So will you stay awake?
I'll try.
Okay.
My dear people of God, Baba went to bath. And Jaypaul now came to now stay. Hey God, this whole thing is just funny. So Jaypaul stayed though, and they were talking. He was giving her, like, there are a lot of things he said I didn't hear. I heard when they were saying, where he was telling her that her lips are very beautiful, and then sometimes he kind of, it's almost as if let him just like, you know, go for a kiss and everything.
Your beautiful lips. I always stare at them. Yeah, it always crosses my mind to just plant a kiss on your reply. I
said, okay, where is this conversation going? They now continue talking. They literally talked for like 1 hour, 2 hours ish. They were still there. And later on, Jaypaul now leaned into a kiss and was kissing her.
Kayode.
Now, Kayode did not show us a different view. At this point, I was like, is there no camera? I thought there was camera up that we can see. So we'll see this thing well. It's not be like, okay, maybe it's not her lips that it was kissing or something. I shall know that there was a kiss. But Kayode did not give us the full view. So after the kiss happened, after a while, Jaypaul was not talking about the fact that he's hard and that he needs to calm down before he leaves. Like the hardness needs to reduce from 100%. He said at some point, he now said it has come down. It has gone down to 40%. Then later on, he now was not leaving. He left by like 4:30. I was almost saying, if this boy sleep here, big brother will give him punishment. So he left by like 4:30. My dear brothers and sisters, when he was leaving, I just saw things. His stuff was still standing.
I'm going to walk like this.
Well, but you know what? Firewood. So that's how he vacated her bed though and went to sleep on his bed. I don't know how tomorrow is going to be. I don't know how everything is going to play out with them, but we're still watching. They're literally acting a movie for us right now. And it's a case of polyandry in people's house. So that's it. I think that's all the gist I have for you. See, I'm already having a headache. I hope you guys are here to this point. If you are here, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, love you.